ng 10 years of Minecraft. Hindi ko alam kung ano to. Pero, nakita ko lang tong world na to. Pre lang to, guys. Nandito tayo sa vault. Okay, tingnan natin kung saan tayo unang pupunta. Hindi ko alam kung ano to, guys. Ayan. Nag-breeze lang yung... Oy, ano to? Sana lang natin to. Welcome to the vault. Here you will find every block in Minecraft safely under lock and key. Not really, it's much more high-tech than that. The vault uses a super secret digit code which you never guess. Now, what was it again? Having locked up the Minecraft's block since day one, I'm getting awfully forgetful. I really should write it down somewhere. Yan yung guys, kaya ako nakapasok, yan yung code nun ng gate na yan. Pero hindi ko alam kung ano bang gagawin dito.